Dave from the Post Your Sales channel / Help You Network. I'm making this video about a company that you can invest in WeFunder. It's called VOA Holding Corp. It's basically a drone service platform for crop protection. And here's a video or intro to what they do.
The world population is estimated to reach 9.8 billion in 2050, driving demand for agricultural products and increasing pressure on natural resources. Crop protection and nutrition innovation is essential for making production more efficient in order to meet this growing demand, bringing real benefits for the environment, healthy food, and labor-friendly production. VOA is disrupting the way the agriculture industry protects its crops. With our technology, VOA offers a more agile service, allows for a lower use of natural resources, and a rational use of pesticides and fertilizers, all while significantly reducing the cost of production for farmers. Through our fully digitalized platform, voaline.com, VOA connects farmers, agronomists, and drones, integrating an end-to-end service. The farmer logs into the platform, maps the area that requires the service, chooses the necessary pest or disease control, and completes the request. The drone pilot goes out to the field and completes the pre-programmed service. Once the order is finalized, the service report is produced with quality indexes, which allows the farmer to evaluate the service, and an automated invoice is sent to make the payment. Our platform allows for a more precise, traceable, efficient and transparent monitoring and application of pesticides and fertilizers, ensures that our drones are available and pilots are trained. VOA's technology enables lower costs of production, increased efficiencies, and preservation of the environment. Fly with us.
As you can see from their pitch video, it'll give you an idea of what they do. On WeFunder, as you can see below, the minimum is $100 to invest in. The terms is basically for future equity in the company. And they don't really get into more ideas of exactly what they give here. I'm trying to figure this piece out here. It's supposed to have investor perks, but it's not saying any on the WeFunder platform. But if you go on their website, it seems like they're already established, because if you have a farm or if you know anybody with a farm, they have plans for their services, and you can also become a franchise owner of or part of the company to do their services. So hopefully this helped. Like, subscribe, share. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. Do your own due diligence before you invest. But I don't think it's a bad idea. I think it's something that we will definitely need in the future of agriculture. So thanks for watching. Bye.